Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you only one row repeat this beautiful crochet bean stitch. I love it very much. You can use everywhere. This is back side, this is front side. It's reversible. It's only one row repeating and it's so easy. I use in that sample Himalaya anti-peeling baby yarn. It's nearly 100 one ball is 100 grams and it's nearly 210 meters, and I use in that sample 3mm hook. Now I will show you a same quality, but this is acrylic yarn I will use and show you with cotton yarn. I hope you like this tutorial. It seems beautiful, you can see that. You can find a lot of stitches in my channel. If you're ready, we can start the crochet or crochet bean stitch, only one row repeat. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start the crochet. We need for this pattern multiples of 4. First of all, make a slip knot. You can make your chains which project you want. For example, you want to make a blanket. You need minimum 90 centimeter. You will crochet 90 centimeter and put the pattern. After, if you have more chains, you can cut that and pull that yarn, and it has a knot, so it's not open again. You can crochet more easily if you don't want to count your chains. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I made multiples of 4 chains. I have 32 chains plus 2. Okay, add 2 more. Yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4 and 5. Insert my hook. Sixth one, grab my yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then yarn over and turn back. We made here double crochet. Yarn over and turn back. This skip stitch, the last skip stitch, insert my hook here. Grab my yarn and lose it. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and lose it. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, lose it. Yarn over, insert stitch, grab my yarn and lose it. Pull through all of them. I left 2 stitch, pull through 2 of them. 1 and 2 chains. Yarn over and skip 1 2 3, insert the 4th one. Grab my yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2. I have a double crochet again. Yarn over and again turn back and insert the 3rd skip stitch here and make a puff. Pull it 1, yarn over, insert into the same, pull it 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull it 3rd, yarn over, insert into the same, and the 4th one. Pull through all together and pull through 2 of them. Chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one and make a double. Yarn over, turn back and insert your hook, the 3rd skip stitch, and make a puff. 1 2 3 and 4. Pull through 2 of them. Continue like that. I come to the end after turn 2. I come at the end. I want to finish this row and I want to show you how you can finish if you have left chains. Skip 2, insert into the third one. This time when you finish the row, make a double. I left here 1 chain and you can cut it here and pull it. That's it. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Yarn over and insert your hook top of that puff stitch and make a double crochet. Here we have double crochet stitch and puff stitch. We insert our previous row of puff stitch top. Yarn over and turn back this hole this time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all of them. Left only 1 stitch. Pull through 2 of them. Chain 2, yarn over, come to next puff stop here. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over and turn back before space of previous rows. 1, lose it. 2, lose it. 3, lose it. 4, lose it. Pull through, left only 1 stitch, pull through 2. 1 loop. If you use more thinner yarn than mine, you can make your puffs 5 times, 6 times. Okay. Chain 2, yarn over, come to next puff stop, make a double crochet, yarn over and turn back to before space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through. I left here 1 loop, pull through 2 of them. Chain 2, come to next puff stop, make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through. I have 2 loops, pull through 2. I come to the end and turn to you. I come to the end, make my last puff, chain 2, yarn over and insert into the top of that double and finish with double crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work and do the same thing always. Yarn over, come to puff stop and make a double. Then yarn over and turn back to previous row's space, before space of this puff and make here a puff. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through, left 1 loop, pull through 2. Chain 2, yarn over, come to next puff stop and make a double. We have 2 space, we use previous row space. Yarn over and insert here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through and pull through 2. Chain 2, come to next, make a double, yarn over and turn back this space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through 2 of them. If you use more wool yarn, contains wool yarn or more thicker yarns, this space is more close and not see these spaces, and you can use that pattern with your beanies and your winter projects. So healthy and so warm texture you can get that. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.